something completely different. I'm sure most of you all know what samplers are. You've probably seen them in museums or may have one in your family, a framed embroidered picture where young girls in the 18th and 19th century used to practice their sewing skills for all the hard work of adult life. And this sampler was passed on to me by a family friend, and it's was made by one of her descendants who lived in or near Stradbroke in mid-Suffolk. Sarah Ann Woodhead's work, June the 3rd, 1837. Was that cross-stitched third in chestnut brown your careful sampler's final touch? After the 14 stylised trees and pots of flowers in russet, pink and duck-egg blue, the 7 alphabets, 2 birds with a little of the goose about them, 11 different borders and 5 crowns, 2 weeks before Victoria was Queen. Was that the very day in June you finished it? And did you then kick up your heels and run through some hay meadow, disturbing tireless swallows, worker bees, knowing, Sarah Ann, in your heart of hearts, at 10, that this was just the start?